My CC 4.2 Park Tool chain tool, the brand new one, just arrived. Pretty cool. Lets you really quickly measure your chain and determine if it's 1%, 0.75%, or 0.5% worn. So you can tell really quickly it's a go, no-go type of gauge. The little steps on the end of the gauge right there are how you tell how worn the chain is. It's important that you squeeze the chain right here. Then when you come over here to the tip, you can see on my chain that it's not worn at all because it doesn't even fit in there. But if that tip fit in 0.5, 0.75, 1%.